Hello everyone, my name is Anna from iteam global, and today I'm going to show you how to change your login start page. First of all, iLink is only accessible for users, so please log in or contact your local iPartner on how to get iLink. Now when I log in, my login start page is on the map overview. To change this, we'll need to go to our personal settings. You can change your start page to Assets, Dashboard, Map, and Tickets. But you can also change your personal details here as well. Don't forget to click on the Save button to apply, and the next time you log in, the new start page will appear. If you'd like to test it straight away, refresh the page and click on the iLink by iTeam logo. And that's it. That's how you change your start page. If you have any questions, please let me know. Till next time, bye!